Hello, everyone, and welcome to Think Big Digital, where we bring you professional tips, tools, and techniques to enhance your digital productivity and security. In today's video, we're going to learn how to use color palettes in Canva. And for that, we're going to move on to this website and type www.canva.com/colors, and the website will come up. We're going to move on to the color palette generator, and this is a simple thing where we're gonna upload the image, and we can find the desired color palettes and copy the colors as we wish to. And now let's head back to the previous page, and now we're gonna select the color palette ideas option, and we can see there are tons of color palettes which indicate complementary colors, or they can also be monochromatic colors and various others too. We can select the desired color palette and we can easily copy those colors and their color hashtags. Now let's head back to the previous page again and move on to the color wheel page. Here we can see that we can choose various types of complementary colors from the color wheel, where the colors of the opposite sides are available and complement each other. We can also select various types of types and combinations of colors. As you can see, when we toggle down, we can also move on to the monochromatic scheme. Also, we have other options like analogous, which mainly indicate the three colors sitting next to each other in the color. Here we're going to select a definite complementary color scheme, and we're going to move on to the create a graphic option. Here we can find all of the graphics available on Canva with the selected color palette, and if you move on to the export color combination option, we can get the PDF file of the color codes and of the color palette we have selected. We can save it up to our PC. And here we go. Now moving on to the main page again, we're gonna move on to the color meanings option, and this is nothing hefty. It's just what every single color from the color palettes mainly mean or indicate, such as. So that's it for today, guys. If this tutorial was helpful, please take a moment to like this video, and if you have any queries, drop a comment down below and we will get back to you soon. Thank you for tuning in, and we will see you in the next video. Until then, happy organizing.